This is a tutorial on how to find journal articles. Databases are a popular place to look for journal articles. This tutorial will look at some of Corban University's databases and some of their idiosyncrasies. It will also look at how to decipher article citations, decide on which articles are relevant to a topic, and how to get copies of the articles when they're not available full text. To begin, start at the library's homepage. If you go to Corban University's homepage, click on Quick Links and click on Library. We'll be looking at some journal databases. Click on Databases by Subject. Click on Bible Theology Ministry. We'll be looking first at Bible Theology Ministry databases. Click on it. This database has a much broader search than either ATLA Serials or the Christian Periodical Index. We are doing our paper on the Great Commission of Matthew chapter 28, verses 18 through 20. So we will begin our search by typing in Great Commission. As you can see, a number of articles turn up. We will want to narrow our results by subject. The most relevant subject to our topic appears to be Great Commission Bible. If we decided we wanted to look at ebooks, we could click on ebook collection. However, when we do this, it looks at ebooks that have a key word of Great Commission and not Great Commission Bible as a topic, which is why we get such a diverse set of titles. If we wanted to look for ebooks dealing with Great Commission Bible, we would have to look for that under subject. In this case, Great Commission Bible is not listed as a subject. We may want to modify our search with quotations. We will need to narrow it down to ebooks again. Let's go back to articles though and narrow my results down by topic again. Let's look at this article. This article is not available full text. Look at the source information. This tells us that this article is in the journal entitled Modern Reformation, Volume 20, pages 14 through 19. The plus sign indicates that there is an additional part of the article after page 19. It is in the September-October 2011 issue. All of this is needed in order to track down the journal article. Click on Search for Article. This searches all of our databases to see if this article is available full text. It is not available full text. Before we request the article though, let's check Corban's print collection. If you happen to be close to either the Tacoma or Salem campus, checking the print collection can be a quick way to find the article. We are looking for the September-October 2011 issue. This says that the Salem collection of Corban University has the 2011 issue. The dash with nothing after it means that it has from 2011 up until the current issue. To find this, one would have to go to the Salem campus library, find the print periodicals, and find the September-October issue. The article begins on page 14. If one is not close to either campus, you could go back and request the article. Many of the same principles are applicable in other databases. Let's look at the psychology counseling databases. These would be helpful if doing a topic of pastoral nature. I am doing a research paper on ADHD. I will begin my search by typing in ADHD. I want to narrow down my search. I will do so by looking at the subject thesaurus. This is providing me with terms that the database thinks are similar to my search. This will pull up all articles dealing with one of these topics. This still gives me almost 10,000 articles to look through. If I'm at a point in my research where I really do not have a narrow topic and a good research question, a database really is not the place to be. However, if I have narrowed my topic to something more specific, such as what should be a Christian perspective of ADHD, I can narrow my results. Let's type in ADHD Christian. Only 2 articles come up. Look at the abstract first to confirm that the article is of interest. Then go to the article. If the article is of interest, at the end of a scholarly article are references. Even though EBSCOhost came up with just 2 articles, there are more available. These articles that the researcher used for his research are often invaluable. Some of these are books, Some of these are articles. These articles by Elkind are of interest to me. We will cover how to get these articles in another tutorial. This ends the database tutorial.